I'm very pleased to be here this morning to share this very special day with our women of Lautoka who have successfully completed the Market for Change training program. Today's certificate presentation reflects yet another initiative of our Fijian government, and one that we have in partnership with the Australian government and UN Women. It also marks our government's continued commitment to improving market vendors' living standards through improving market facilities, including women's accommodation around the country. This Market for Change project aims to promote gender equality and social and economic empowerment of market vendors, with specific attention to the needs and aspirations of women market vendors. These aspirations focus on economic security, the strengthening of local government institutions, procedures and development approach, and the design and building of gender-responsive infrastructure. With these tools, market vendors will be able to influence decision-making on market management and resource allocation, support economic and social empowerment of market vendors, and the advancement of women market vendors. For any economic activity, education is an essential key to ensuring that goods or services provided are continuously improved and that the parties involved are happy with their return. Market training is a critical source of cash income for a range of market vendors, mainly rural produce sellers, including urban resellers. Market vendors provide an essential economic activity to the livelihoods of many, contributing to a healthier lifestyle through the production of quality and affordable local fruit, vegetables, and root crops. Our markets provide a place of employment for the informal sector where thousands of people can earn a living, most being women, who are very often the sole income earners of their families. My ministry will continue to support municipalities throughout the country through infrastructure development and improved service delivery. Women participating in this community workshop will note that the lack of information about local government and processes that enable women to access and share information are serious barriers to their participation. Therefore, an important starting point for women's increased engagement in local governance is in the understanding and comprehension of what local government actually does. We are thankful to UN Women and the Australian government for supporting our market vendors through the facilitation of this training. I am certain that the energy and excitement generated from the knowledge gained will create and enhance more economic opportunities, improve the effectiveness and efficiency of market services, and also improve other factors of our women's lives, such as leadership skills, product development, healthy living, and the growth of disaster-resilient crops. Ladies, the onus is now on you to use this knowledge to improve your financial and social status, at the same time helping to improve our country's economy's agricultural production. Today's certificate presentation marks an important event as it signifies the commitment of true outreach strategies placed by our government in partnership with UN Women and the Australian government to see that our people at grassroots level and those that are economically disadvantaged have a chance to improve their earnings. I would like to officially congratulate all our women vendors for successfully completing your training and wish you all the very, very best in your future endeavours. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of our Fijian government, my Ministry of Local Government and our rural and women vendors, I sincerely thank UN Women and the Australian government and the Lautoka Town Council for successfully facilitating the implementation of this Market for Change training program 2015 and our certificate presentation today. Good night.